This hotel is really beautiful during the day, but it's also most amazing at night. Look how beautiful this is. Such a romantic property. Lights everywhere. Honestly, I cannot wait until tomorrow morning to get up at sunrise and to show you this beautiful property. As I had a tour of this hotel back in 2007, that was before my YouTube times, and I do not have any videos, but I remember this place, how amazing it was. Can't wait to show you. Real candles everywhere, not the electronic candles. Beautiful place to sit. This is the garden library. And the reflections in the water. Oh, they have the Khmer show. I have to film that. Look at this. Oh, there is a kitty. Hey, kitty. See kitty walking in there. So this is the tour of my room here at the Sofitel in Siem Reap. Room 603. So my room is in the deluxe room category, and this is extra spacious room with the extended terrace. So in my wing there are a few rooms that have the extended terrace. So usually the other rooms will not have this part in here, that extension. So nice comfy king size bed, nice chair with an ottoman. I have received a gift, which is the traditional Khmer scarf. So those are the mini bar items. Tea and coffee maker. Complimentary water. And there is they call it a private bar. So basically you have soft drinks, snacks, beer. I don't know what this is. What is this? Coconut pineapple drink. And this one is lemongrass. And Evian water and Perrier as well. Really nice shower head. Not the raindrop shower, however I could tell that's a good shower head. Probably the shower head has a really good pressure. I haven't tried it yet. Don't mind my hair because it was raining today, so my hair went out of whack. A nice deep tub, which I probably will not use since I'm only staying one night. However, you never know. There is a scale, so you can weigh yourself, or at least your suitcase. Safe. We have slippers and a bathrobe. Just one for me. And we also have, let's see what kind of amenities they use. They use a little bit different. Usually they use lambaun. This one is L'Occitane. So they use at this hotel, they use. I love the Sofitel hotels. They offer consistent quality around the world. I have stayed at Sofitels in South Pacific in French Polynesia, and I've been always happy with their quality. The service is excellent. Everyone is so polite, so accommodating, so sincere. And then there is my beautiful terrace. Oops, I could open. Should close because a million mosquitoes would come. So this is this beautiful big balcony. And see the regular deluxe room, the balcony would be, the room will be that much smaller, because what you have here as an extension in my room, they would have it for a balcony, so the room would be a little bit less. And my view during the day is of a pond, lily pond, and I see that it's still raining. What's going on today with the weather? It just rains and rains and rains today. Some bird flew by. I will get up tomorrow morning extra early, and hopefully the rain would stop by then, and I will do a tour of this beautiful place. So that's how it looks.